Hey guys, Jesse here. Real quick, I've been getting some feedback from customers in regards to websites that we're developing or in the process of developing, and there being some styling issues in regards to that. One of the things that I wanted to make note of and ensure that you guys are aware of that when we are actively developing a site, we need to make sure that let's go over to SiteGround, Site Tools. Just make sure that we set this in developer mode. Um, if you're unable to do it through SiteGround or you don't have access, um, make sure that you submit a request and let's get that done. We utilize Cloudflare CDN. So this may cause some issues with styling and or when you update files on the server. Because things like the CSS, Java, and things like that are cached on the actual server itself to improve performance. And let's say that you make updates to the website and then we load a cached CSS and or JavaScript file and or code. The reality of it is that may cause some styling issues. So do me a favor, and if we are developing a site, make sure that you put it in developer mode, flush out the cache, and make sure that the end user, who's like Warren, is checking it on a daily basis, is not getting styling issues. So that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you're making it a great day. Please remember to communicate around the 3 pillars every single day. The training you're engaged in, what it is that you're currently working on, maybe improvements to the process and or when you think you'll be complete with the current project, just so we can stay aware or I can stay up to date in regards to project management and resources. That's all I have for you. Make it a fantastic day. We'll talk real soon.